Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about the new ClubExpress mobile app. So, what you're looking at right now is what they call a cast of my cell phone onto my desktop. And what you're looking at the moment really right now is the mobile desktop. It was the mobile that website that we have today. And you can see as I scroll up, you see the homepage, etc. I think a lot of you have used it this way, and there's the rides and etc. At the bottom down here, you have the three bar or menu, which is also called a hamburger, and your info that change to desktop. Up top here, you also have the three bars, and that gives you the website menu for. What I would like to show you now, though, is this. This is the new ClubExpress mobile app. And basically, it's similar in the sense that you see the website here, you see the homepage. Like as I scroll up, you see the whole homepage, just we did before with the mobile website. And you will notice, though, there are a few differences. Down the bottom here, instead you have different controls. It says home, channels, notification, and your info. And up top in the left here, you have the three bars of the hamburger. And also you're going to see something here right now. It says B plus Riders. Okay, so let's talk about these buttons. First of all, no matter where I am on the home page, I hit the home button that gets bring back to the home page. Once again, I was showing you here, if you're on the mobile app and you want to sign up for a ride, there's a ride there. You can sign up for the ride. If you are the ride leader of this ride or have control panel rights to the events, you will also see the pencil. And in the pencil that gives you access to make changes to the ride, cancel the ride, look at reports, registrations. And I want to point something out right here. I'll talk about more detail later, something called app notifications, which is something that is now part of the mobile app. But I'll talk about it a little bit more detail later. Okay, so that's the home button. The second button at the bottom down here is channels. Or what are channels? Channels are similar to, I would say, WhatsApp type of things to shop channels. So if I click it, you'll see here it says your channels, B plus riders, and com. So I'm just going to click on com. And now you'll notice up top here, it says com. So I'm in the com channel. So the com is the crank it all men. And in the case of a lot of the crank it all men, they probably might only want to be in that channel. So they would never have to change channels. If you're only in one channel, that's it. You never have to change channels. But in my case, since if I hit channels again and I want to go back to B plus, it's that simple to change channels. It's not that hard to do. So and I'm going to talk about the benefits channels in a minute as well. And let's just talk about the next button at the bottom first, which is notifications. So this says that there was a notification here, and then also there's a new chat. So those are a couple of notifications. And then your info, which is basically, if I hit the top button here, it's basically like your profile on the desktop. So back to the home button. So let me go now and see the three bars of the hamburger. I'm going to click that and show you what's there. So now I'm going to start with the bottom half down here, and it says website menu. So it's the website, just like the menu. It's the menu. So there's the Gold Coast. You see all the items. Once again, social media, you see the items, the Ride Leaders menu. And once again, if I go to a page, you can see I have that page. This is the Ride Leader information page. So back to the home button. So once again, if I hit the three, just like with the mobile website, the three bars gives you the whole. They have this. This is called the fly up menu, and of course the format's slightly different, but it's basically all the website menu items. Now, up top here, your functions. There's one function that I've applied that's specific to the mobile app only, and this is what really I think is the a big advantage, or I think could be real useful, is the chat. So I'm going to click on chat. So since I'm in the B plus channel, now this is the B plus chat. And you could see here on this chat, I added a picture, right? I can expand that picture. I do anything with the picture. I was able to uh, add text, a picture. You could add a link. Now what I want to show you is, if I go back to the com channel, okay, now you see here, you see that chat. So each chat is specific to the channel, and that's why I was saying like kind of like a WhatsApp. What happens is you have to be a member of that channel to even see that channel. Let me go back to channels for a second. In my case, I see B plus writers and com. For like board of directors, they would see board of directors, and if they were with any other channel, they would see that channel as well. As I was saying, like some of the curriculum men, they might only belong to one channel. There's nothing for you to do. You stay in that channel. So what happens if you are a on the board, you're going to see the board of directors channel. I don't even see it because I only see the channels you belong to. So let me show you how easy it is to do a chat. You can see on this one here, I have a picture. This one here, look, I put in a link, right? So what you would do is go down to the box at the bottom and type whatever you want to type. And you could say whatever you want to say. Like here, I just said, let's write Saturday. All I have to do is hit the return button, boom. I sent a text. You can also uh, add, you saw the pictures there, and then so what happens is okay, let me get this Monday. It's good Monday. Okay. Over here to the right, you see there is like a link button right here. It says send. If you hit the link button, it opens up three other options. Select image, link to event, and poll. We are not currently using the polls or the link to an event. We only are using select image. If I do select image, that gives me the option to go to my photo library, take a picture, or choose a file. So that's how I was able to take this out of my phone, and then you can send a picture. So that's how you send a chat. Go back to chat. Okay, so it is that simple. All right. So the other thing you'll notice, look at down here now. Do you see the red circle with the one in it? That's because I just sent the chat. And if my phone had this was cl closed, it would come up as a notification on my phone, just like a chat, text message or something like that would come up. So I think that that's a big advantage of, say, for example, the Cracker Men, they chat all the time, but guess what? You're also right here. You do your chatting, and then you can sign up for a ride. In addition, one of the advantages is that like for example, the Cracker Men text group, it can only be iPhones, whereas with this is downloadable through the Google Play or the App Store. So it doesn't matter if you have an Android phone or an iPhone, you can be part of the chat group here, no problem. So that's another advantage. One of the other things I would like to show is that what I did for now, I put something here called mobile chat on the social media. We could put this anywhere on the website we want, on the top menu or anywhere. So if I click this, so now look what's going to happen. And you're going to see, there it is. These are the same exact, here I am on the desktop, the exact same chats. There's the one I just did. Let's write Saturday. This is the ones that were there. If I go over to the B plus, there you'll see the B plus. So the chats can be continued here, which I think is an advantage for some people. If you're out and you're on your phone and there's a chat going on when you get home, if you're on your laptop or desktop, you can actually continue that chat right here. Just enter the chat right here. Same thing. One other feature I would really like to show you is if you go into say the calendar and we open a ride, and if you remember, I was saying when I hit the pencil on the phone as well, there's something here called app notifications. This is something that is also built in. And look at this, the distribution by default is everyone signed up for the ride. Then you could type in a message. You can select if you want a category. You could type your message. You could add a link and send it. And everybody on that ride will get that. So this is, I think, another big advantage for ride leaders that they can also get app notifications. So I think that's another big plus. And so anyway, I think that the board should consider um, downloading the app and testing it out. I think it might be a good plus for the club. Thanks.